So for last working set natin, sir, push ulit natin yung legs natin, mobility and then balance. So gamit tayo ng bench, akyat tayo sa bench tapos bababa. Gagawin lang natin to for 10 repetitions tapos 3 sets. Bale, 5 lang siya per leg alternating. So hands, so tapak, o medyas, or nakapaa, okay lang po. So rise up, down, switch leg. Okay, down, up, balance, down, reset. That is 2 counts. Up, switch, up, switch. Okay po? So, dito sa point na to, medyo pagod na tayo kasi ito na yung huling workout. So, please be very careful na sustain natin yung balance natin dito sa legs, especially pagka malambot yung bench natin and then yung ankles natin para mas ma-promote natin yung improve ng balance. Yan po. So, that's your day 5 exercises. Up next is your stretch.